Hello everyone, welcome back to another video today. Today's video will be what if Izuku had songbird as a quirk. Okay, so this is a requested what if. So I'll try my best to do what I can with this one. We start off at a church. Izuku was praying as his wings were folded on his back. It was the night outside, as he usually comes here when he's feeling distress. He always likes to find religion where he can. Izuku is praying as in his memories it keeps on playing. People bullying him for what he looks like. Even though he is a devout Christian, he gets bullied by others for looking like a fallen angel. And his parents and grandparents are called out for it. His mom is called out for cheating. Or even worse, his grandparents are called out for cheating. Because it should be impossible for someone with angelic wings to have someone with such dark, filthy wings. Izuku hates his wings for this. He takes a deep breath and then just sighs. God, why was I born like this? I know I should never question your creation, but please tell me why I was created like this. I'm bullied for what I look like. Why, God? Why? Izuku felt better as he looked at Jesus Christ that was on the cross. Thank you, God. He got up and walked away. I wonder which way is home again. Looks like no one's around. Maybe I can use my quirk. Izuku extended his wings and started flapping as he soon took off. Izuku flew around town as he was looking for his house until he got there. Finally I'm home. Izuku locks his window as he's now inside his room. Then just rests on his stomach. Izuku then goes to sleep, and in the morning, he gets ready for school. Izuku's school is different. He doesn't go to a public school, but a Christian school, as that's what the funding from his grandfather was able to get him. Izuku was taught basically taught the strict versions of Christianity. How basically about sin. How it's bad to sin, and how you should never fall in the devil's hands. Izuku was bullied from others saying that he has fallen in the devil's hand, and is the reason his mom is. It's all the bullying from the parents. Or another one would say he must be the devil's son to look like that. Izuku always got bullied like this. soon, when it was recess, he would sit in the dark, away from everyone, only reading the Bible to keep him company. Izuku doesn't actually follow the ways that the church's school tells him. He follows in the way of, well, the old. He hates pride. He is not against, well, anyone being gay or anything else. He just hates Pride Month in general. And everybody's wondering why he hates Pride Month. It's pride. It stands for sin. Pride is a sin. You always wonder why it's not just called Love Month. And due to not being well educated in LGBT community, he does not understand a lot of this. Now we take him to a place where he does not understand anything. Sorry guys, busy at the intersection today. So yeah, Izuku is looking weirdly as well. A trans woman is, well, at the group therapy. So, okay, so let me get this straight. You're a man, but you are a woman. Yeah, yes I am. But that makes no sense. You can never get anything from these stupid Christians. Okay, I never attacked your faith, and you should not attack mine. God made people on how they are. So, you don't know anything about me. I had to struggle through a lot. To be honest, you just sound like you have a mental disorder. What? Yeah, a personality disorder. Yeah, that's it. Izuku picks up a book about personality disorders and starts reading it. As even though Izuku can actually get on one subject, he also can get on another if something that he does not know about interests him. So yeah, Izuku reads more about mental disorders and wonders a lot about it. I can't believe people like you exist. Why can't Christians be open to all of us? Well, we are. Yeah, right. Nah, we are actually open to all of your secrets. What the fuck? Oh, sorry. What the hell was that? Therapist then looks up from reading her book and then says, "Oh, that's Izuku's quirk. His quirk is called Songbird." Oh yeah, I'm sorry, I'm not allowed to. No, it's okay. Maybe you'll enlighten them. His quirk is an emitter that allows him to, create and mimic any sound he hears or thinks of. He can also amplify sounds. So, why would he do that? Oh, it's a hiccup. Huh? Well, Izuku has hiccups a lot sometimes. And, sometimes he can make different sounds. Or his voice changes. That's interesting. Yeah, believe me, I had to go through a week with him having hiccups. It was not a beautiful one. We then go to a week where a 9-year-old Izuku is just making the sounds of, well, French police sirens, French ambulance sirens, police sirens, and a nuclear bomb. Yeah, that one literally made people go deaf for around several months. So yeah. Now go back to the present. Izuku is actually visiting some African tribes to actually help them around. As to him, it's good for a Christian to help around and spread the faith. But if someone does not actually believe in their faith, he's okay with it. As to him, God has created everything and does not have one form, but many. So yeah. We then see Izuku look down at a tree as poachers are in the area of an ethnic tribe that he is helping out for the week. So he starts thinking, then amplifies that hyena sound from his mouth. Izuku then calls in several hyenas. If you guys are wondering, wait, how the heck did Izuku do that? He's a goddamn bird. So yeah. Izuku calls in hyenas, and yeah, they freak out the poachers, making them run. So yeah. Izuku thanks the hyenas, and they take him back. Wait a minute, guys. Hello.
What are you doing?
Good.
Enjoying your summer?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah. You guys also wondering, Izuku can actually not fully understand them, as to him, it's like having a thick-ass accent. To him, almost every animal sounds Scottish. And not like the normal Scottish. The ones with very, very thick accent. Anything on. So yeah. Izuku thanks the hyenas and they run off. The leader of the village thanks Izuku for his work. Izuku says it's no problem, and for one more week he is helping out the tribe until he decides to leave. So yeah. If you guys are wondering, wait, how does Izuku get from one tribe to another? Well, the church actually is a world-renowned church in Japan, what its main base is. But if you're old enough, around 10, you and your family can go to other parts of the world to help out. And that's what Izuku does. You can actually get paid for it, but Izuku does it for free. So yeah. Soon it is high school. The end of the year. Izuku is actually accepted into many different colleges for his huge faith of Christianity. Izuku is also accepted into college in Vatican City, where he can actually, well, practice Christianity more and more. But Izuku actually shocks almost everyone when he says, "Yeah, I think I want to be a hero." And the bowling starts. Come on, choose a player. Who's going to do it? Who's going to do first? And we have a guy throwing a fucking chair. Another guy throwing a brick. A guy throwing a piano. Where the fuck did that come from? So yeah, Izuku gets bullied and abused at the school for his choice. As they actually say to Izuku that he should not be doing this. It's against the Christian faith to commit harm to anyone. But Izuku counters this argument saying that he is a devout Christian, and in the past Christian were warriors like the knights, the holy knights that were commanded by God to do anything. They fought, and Izuku keeps on trying to find his voice as Izuku keeps on getting overshadowed, until Izuku says that he will be like the Christian knights of old. He will fight for what he believes in. He is an angel. Angels fought for God, and he will fight with the will of God. And then everyone shuts up. A few months later, Izuku is accepted into UA University, but he has to do the entrance exam. Izuku decides as he walks to the gates of UA the next day, ready to fight for his place amongst everyone else. That's it for today, guys. So please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. But also to the one that I made that asked me to do this what if, I was wondering if I did it good. Yeah, I'm not really sure if I actually did it correctly or how you wanted it to. So yeah, tell me and I'll make a redo tomorrow. Okay, bye.